Hey guys, it's Cher. I don't have my full voice back yet because I've been sick, but I have to do a voiceover for this video, so I'm just going with it. Today I'm going to be walking you through how I did this witchy Halloween makeup look for a photo shoot I had recently. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see more of the behind the scenes of the photo shoot and also some of the photos we ended up getting because they turned out really cool. I had a really awesome photographer for this shoot. Her name is Anne Bradshaw, and I'm going to be linking all of her social media accounts down in the description box, so make sure you check her out, and let's get into it. First, I'm taking my usual foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation, and applying that pretty generously to my face. Then I'm taking the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in two shades. The first shade is the lightest shade in the collection, I believe, but I'm just putting that on the inner corners of my eyes to brighten them because it is so light. Then I'm taking the same concealer in a different shade, medium peach, and applying that to the usual areas of my face, underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and my chin, and blending that out. Next, I'm taking my Morphe brow pencil in Cold Brew and shaping my brows pretty darkly. I'm going for an all-around really goth, dark vibe for this shoot, so my brows are probably going to look a lot darker than usual. But that's kind of the look I'm going for, so. Next, I'm taking my Hoola Light Bronzer and using that as an eyeshadow transition shade in my crease. The eye look I'm doing today is going to be pretty dark, and I figured the shades would be super hard to blend, hence the transition shade. Then to start the eye look, I'm taking the really dark gray shade called Smoke Show in the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and using that to create a really dark wing on the outer corners of my eyes. Like I said before, this is going to be super dark and dramatic, so I'm applying that pretty heavily because I know I can just clean it up later, which you will see me do because it gets a little crazy. I'm also taking that shade a little underneath my eye as well, just to give it a smoky effect. Next, I'm taking some of that e.l.f. concealer I used earlier on a flat brush and cleaning up my actual eyelid space a little bit because that darker shade was messier than I expected. Kind of like a cut crease, but not as precise. You can also see I'm going ahead and cleaning up the edges of those wings on the outer corners of my eyes using that same concealer shade, but apparently my camera wasn't filming that entire part, of course. But you can see I'm trying to shape that up a little bit better and make it look cleaner and less messily applied, even though it was messily applied, just being honest. Next, I'm taking out my Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette, Sipping Pretty, and applying this gray metallic color all over my lid. It did not have a shade name, but it is like a really pretty gray metallic, like I just said. Also, I've wet the small brush I'm using to apply it with to give it that extra shine. Then, because I love liquid eyeshadows, especially ones that have glitter, I'm taking the Copycat Beauty Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the color LA14 and applying that to my lid as well to add some glitter. It's this really pretty blue-gray color with a lot of glitter added, so it really pops on your lid. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Stick in the shade Mink and applying that to my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, basically anywhere I want to add the effect of shadow. It looks way too dark at first for my skin tone, because it is, but just wait until I blend it out and it won't look as crazy, I promise. And then to set all of that, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow Makeup Setting Spray. While my face is still a little bit wet from that, I'm taking my favorite highlighter, the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the color Moon Dance, and applying that to my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose. And then, because I was in a hurry to finish and didn't realize I wasn't recording most of this, I did outline my lips in this dark red lip liner. It's the Milani Lip Liner Pencil in Sienna. And then after that, I applied this red lipstick from Belle en Argent. And once again, I know you can't see me do this really well on camera, and I'm sorry for that, but you will see it in the end photos. But for a last step, I took some tiny black gems. They actually were clear at first, and I got them off Amazon, but I painted them black with nail polish at the last minute, and I just glued them underneath the wing shape of my eyeshadow look. That was the last step in my makeup look. So here comes some behind the scenes footage at my photo shoot and some of the pictures we got. By the way, I know I've already said this, but my photographer for this shoot was Anne Bradshaw, and I'm linking all of her accounts and pages below. She's an amazing photographer, and we got some really great stuff, I think. I can't wait to work with her again. And also, thank you to her sister for the behind-the-scenes footage and helping us with props. I will link her below as well, so make sure you check out their pages. And also, make sure you follow my Instagram to see the entire set from this shoot. We got some pretty great Halloween content from this. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I like your nails.
Thanks. They're fake. I just got them done at the salon down the street.
At the salon.
At the salon. I kind of miss getting my nails done for real. I have the money to do it now too.
Yeah, you do.
I miss my nail girl. They stayed on all the time, but I dance now, and it's hard to dance in nails. So.
Is this shelf breaking?
Yes. Also,
oh my god.
But I love my Gorby.
Yeah, we all love your Gorby, but
No one loves my Gorby like Mommy loves the Gorby.